Money Board 2. For those of you that don't understand the channel, it's a bizarre channel because it's philanthropy for people 18 to 35 or something like that, and the two biggest problems they have are sex and money. It's called Enrich Your Life and Finances. Enrich your life, well, that'd be what's going on down here in the crotch feature, the most valuable part of the wood. Get her wet. Check out what's going on. And then the finances is that it's the most valuable part of the lumber. That's where you make your money. Maybe we'll get a laugh.